I remember.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2011 Ford Fiesta and we have the problem with the AC. I'm gonna show you right now. So the customer came and complained about this. As you can see, cannot hear any air blowing, and this is right here. I'm gonna close the door because it's open and that's annoying. Alright, and as you can see, I'm gonna put it in the fourth position and the air is gonna come. See? So this is the complaint we have. No blowing air on the lower range of this. So usually the problem on this course with this particular problem is most of the time the blower resistor. As you can see, this is the blower resistor for the car, and as you can see, it's really thin and it only has 4 pins. So this is the blower, this is the resistor you're gonna need for your car. Here's the part number and it's from AutoZone. I'm gonna show you the part number right here. As you can see, this is the part number you're gonna need, JA1499. all right, so you're wondering where is this part located. So the part is located right there. All right, so to remove the resistor you have to remove this cover, which is held by this tip right here. You just push it out with a screwdriver or a little clip like this, little, I don't know what it's called, but something like this. And then after you remove that, you just pull this like this, just pull it like that. You have these clips and now you're gonna have access to all that. So to remove the resistor, you're gonna need to remove this cover. It holds the cover with a clip that goes right here. So you take off that, and also you're gonna remove the cover that is right here, but I think there's no need for that. So the blower resistor is right here. This is the blower resistor, where it's located. So first you're gonna remove the clip. You're gonna find the this clip. You gotta press it down like this. I don't know if this can focus, and then you pull. All right, so this is the connector, and before removing this you want to connect your resistor right here and make sure it works. So let's put this. We can install it, and you just can lay it down right here. So we're gonna test this first before we install it inside. All right, it clicked. So now we're gonna open the switch, and as you can see, it's blowing air. Let's go to the third, and there we go. We have air now. The position 1. So this is the actual problem, is the resistor. Alright, so I removed it, and now, I took it off from the connector, this one. So I'm gonna remove the old one that is, I don't know if this thing can focus that, but it's right there. Alright, so we have the resistor here, and as you can see, it's burnt. So that's actually the real problem with this. And if you want the original part number, that's the part number you're gonna need. It's made in Mexico. So if you want the part from the dealership, you can get this part from the dealership. But I just recommend to get this one because AutoZone gives you a lifetime warranty. So we just put this back and you'll be good to go. Alright, so now it's time to test the car. We're gonna turn it on, brake pedal, turn it on, then we check if we have cold air. And yes, we have cold air. You can hear it. Yeah, second, third, it works good. And the last one works perfect. Alright, let's turn it off. Alright guys, so this will be the end of the video. This is how you fix the problem with the AC blower not blowing air on a 2011 Ford Fiesta. I hope you liked the video. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time. Bye.